It was early December night, with heavy snow falling outside. I was all curled up alone in my cozy little apartment. I had just finished a really long day at work and was looking forward to some quiet time. I lit a few candles around, which brightened up the room in the chilly night. I was nestled on the sofa, holding a warm cup of tea, watching the snowflakes dancing in the wind outside the window. Under the streetlights, those snowflakes looked like a bunch of tiny fairies dancing in the night sky, really atmospheric. I was deep into my book when suddenly, a shadowy figure passed by the window, startling me. I walked over to the window and through the hazy, snow-speckled glass, I could barely make out a figure slowly moving down the street. Who would be out in such a snowstorm? Just as I settled back on the sofa, an unexpected knock at the door got my heart racing. It sounded so odd in the silence of the night. A mix of nervousness and curiosity led me to the front door. Peering through the peephole, I saw a guy standing outside. He looked pretty rough, with an urgent and tired look in his eyes. He was completely soaked, with a kind of pleading look on his face. I felt worried but thought I should help him out, so after a moment's hesitation, I opened the door. He almost stumbled in, muttering about getting lost in a blizzard and his phone being dead. Instinctively wanting to help, I let him sit on the living room couch and turned to make some hot tea in the kitchen. But then, this uneasy feeling washed over me. I turned around to find that he wasn't on the couch anymore, but was sneaking around at my bedroom door, holding a letter knife from my table. And that weird smile on his face freaked me out. I tried to stay calm, slowly backing away while reaching for my phone on the coffee table. Just then, I heard my neighbors outside. They must have noticed my front door was open and came to check. Hearing them approach, the guy panicked and rushed out of my apartment. Standing at the open door, watching him disappear into the snowy night, I felt a sense of relief wash over me. That night, I experienced real terror. Ever since then, I've been much more cautious about opening my door to strangers and learned to be more vigilant.